Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Apache Commons Compress. Today, we'll explore how this powerful Java library simplifies and enhances file compression tasks. Whether you're managing large datasets or optimizing web assets, understanding Apache Commons Compress can significantly boost your application's performance. Apache Commons Compress offers several advantages over the standard Java libraries. With support for multiple compression formats and a modular architecture, it provides developers with the tools needed to handle various compression needs efficiently. Additionally, its optimized implementations often result in better performance. The architecture of Apache Commons Compress is designed with flexibility and scalability in mind. It uses a modular approach, where each compression method has its own handler and encoder-decoder pair. This setup allows developers to include only the necessary components, reducing unnecessary overhead. Apache Commons Compress provides support for several popular compression formats, allowing developers to choose the best method for their needs. Additionally, it offers customization options for compression parameters, enabling fine-tuning for specific use cases. It also integrates seamlessly with other Apache Commons libraries like I/O, enhancing its utility. A typical workflow with Apache Commons Compress involves selecting the right compression method based on your needs, configuring any necessary parameters to optimize performance, and then reading the input stream, compressing it, and writing the output. This process is streamlined through its intuitive API. Apache Commons Compress finds application in a variety of real-world scenarios, from efficiently backing up large datasets to distributing software packages as compressed archives. It proves invaluable. Additionally, it helps optimize web assets, ensuring faster load times and improved user experiences. When compared to standard Java libraries, Apache Commons Compress often demonstrates superior performance. This is due to its optimized algorithms and efficient stream handling. For resource-intensive tasks, this can lead to significant efficiency gains. Like any tool, Apache Commons Compress has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it supports multiple compression formats, offers a modular design, and delivers high performance. However, it may lack support for some less common compression methods, requiring manual configuration in complex scenarios. Apache Commons Compress integrates smoothly with other technologies in the Java ecosystem. Its compatibility with Apache Commons I/O and Java SE ensures that it fits well into existing projects. Additionally, its support for modern file system APIs makes it versatile in various deployment environments. To get started with Apache Commons Compress, it's essential to have a solid understanding of Java I/O operations. From there, studying the library's API structure will help you navigate its features effectively. Finally, experimenting with various compression methods and parameters will allow you to optimize your use cases. In conclusion, Apache Commons Compress is a powerful library that significantly enhances file compression capabilities in Java. With support for multiple formats and optimized performance, it's an invaluable tool for developers handling resource-intensive tasks. We hope this tutorial has provided you with the knowledge needed to leverage its full potential. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.